A little bit.
Is it clearing up?
Nothing major. Well, I wouldn't say it's clearing just yet, but the clouds may actually thin a little bit for us this afternoon. Actually, a weakening area thunderstorms headed our way this morning, and typically they weaken during the morning hours, and we have a more stable atmosphere over the region, too, which contributed to that weakening, so we really didn't see a whole lot of rain. You know, if you're a gardener, you're looking for a whole lot more than what we had out there this morning. We may have a shot at it, at least in places tomorrow, though one of the computer models is kind of backing off on the amount of precipitation for Friday as well, but we should see at least some additional rain showers and perhaps maybe even a few thunderstorms as we wrap up the week around here on Friday. You can see the weakening trend with the rain pushing in from the west this morning. Still plenty of clouds back to the west, but I wouldn't be surprised if the clouds start to thin during the afternoon, particularly by later afternoon. We might sneak in a little bit of sun maybe across the area. On forward Doppler, you can see some patchy light rain showers. That's about it. Nothing really especially heavy coming down. There might be a little bit of a heavier rain shower down here in northern Potter County, but beyond this, there seems to be a break in the action. And that's the way it's going to be this afternoon. Probably looking at more clouds than rain. Amherst Dent Building webcam, and you can see some of the raindrops on the webcam lens here, and some of the rain reducing the visibility, at least at times, with a few of these showers pushing through the Amherst area this morning, heading into the noon hour. As we check out super microcast for the afternoon, well, the rain showers weakening and pushing out of the picture, especially by later this afternoon. A pretty quiet night shaping up with mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be mild and muggy. That humidity has increased already for us, and it's going to be with us now pretty much right into the weekend. As we get into Friday, some rain showers may be approaching already by tomorrow morning across the Niagara frontier, and then we will see more rain showers and perhaps a few thunderstorms develop across the area during the day. These should taper off by later Friday afternoon, and we're looking good as we head for the weekend. All of that stuff is out of here, the clouds and the rain, and we bring back the sunshine. 8 a.m. Look at the microcast and clear skies for the most part prevailing across the area. That's going to set the stage for one very nice weekend heading our way. Checking the current temps, we're looking at 70 degrees right now at Niagara Falls, 72 at Buffalo, a bit milder by the lakeshore at Dunkirk, 66 down here at Jamestown, 67 at Bradford, and 70 at Wellsville. If we get a little bit of sun out later this afternoon, I'm quite sure these readings are going to perk up quite rapidly. In fact, it's up to 77 out to the west at London, Ontario right now. And we're definitely into the humid range, at least across the area in terms of the dew point. 67 here at Niagara Falls. In fact, oppressive conditions directly to our west here at Hamilton through London with low 70-degree dew points, 64 at Buffalo. So we're getting up there, and it's going to become even probably more humid as we get into tomorrow. As we check the sunset time, that's coming up at 8:40 this evening. The water temperature is still 79 off Buffalo and 75 degrees off Rochester on Lake Ontario. Here's your forecast details for the rest of this afternoon. Just a few rain showers out there. That's about it. Otherwise, clouds, maybe some breaks of sun developing as we work through the afternoon, especially by late afternoon, and more humid. The high 73 to 77 degrees for the overnight. Mostly cloudy, mild, and muggy. There's a chance of a rain shower across the Niagara frontier toward morning. Low 67 to 72. Then tomorrow, considerable clouds, showers, and some thunderstorms likely. Very humid. That activity diminishing later in the afternoon. 80 to 85 degrees. Looking really nice as we head for the weekend. Saturday, mostly sunny, warm, and humid. 82 to 86, and similar conditions on tap for Sunday, too. There's a possibility of an isolated thunder shower maybe popping up on Monday, but for the most part, we're pretty rain-free even into the beginning of next week, so let's hope we get that rain, at least for the gardens, tomorrow.
Now, that's how you do a forecast. You make it rain during the work week and good on the weekend.
Perfect timing, isn't it?
Perfect. Timing is everything.
Doesn't always work that way.
I know. Thanks, Mike.